Promoting your product and interacting with the viewers utilizing audio-visual strategies and related sites like YouTube may truly bring you massive success and targeted traffic. Commonly, a YouTube video, if it's only truly good, will rank super high in the search engine results pages. The popularity of YouTube is still developing. Aside from watching the videos on YouTube, individuals may even embed the YouTube videos on their sites remotely. YouTube has likewise made it possible for the net marketers to train individuals in the usage of their products by uploading tutorials. Here are some hints on how to get started. Of course, you might need some equipment like a good camera with HD recording, Dolby Surround, lights, and others, to give your viewers a better picture clarity and quality. Likewise, every YouTube video maker needs a great software or cam to record its videos. If you're using on-screen video recording software, make certain you use the best one, which has inbuilt editing features, records video in high quality, keeping video size low, and records audio which sounds clear. If you're using a cam, make certain it has good resolution and doesn't make your video look blurred, or you might decide to use PC Movie Maker software and images. You can create videos that go viral by producing a controversial video that's most discussed on the web. Whether it's an amazing video or negative, positive critique about a movie or a product, always produce your video with the intention of adding value or knowledge to your watchers who are willing to watch your video. The chief goal of producing viral videos ought to be such that it should be shared among others. Make sure to try to keep your video clean without crossing the controversy line. Video branding is a crucial step if you want your viewers to become your readers. Always put your site name or URL in the video by utilizing the annotation feature in the video editor. For example, I put my website logo on a black background. Every time I record on-screen video, I simply switch to this wallpaper. You may also include watermarks of the URL in the video too, or use the annotation feature on YouTube itself. Issues may be resolved more conveniently and simply if the solution is available in video form. So you ought to utilize this fact wisely and solve your readers' issues by answering them visually. The chances of getting traffic gradually step up to 60%. The main thing with video is the keywords you utilize in the title and the verbal description you add, as your videos are crawled by search engines depending upon keywords utilized in the title, and YouTube videos are the pet for search engine spiders. The more popular the keyword, the more popular your videos will be and the more traffic you'll bring in for your site. Likewise, remember that the verbal description limit is set to 21 characters, so utilize this space wisely, as after that your description will be abbreviated to 3 dots. You'll be able to promote your videos by social networking sites, by sharing, tweeting, bookmarking, and stumbling. You may likewise add a widget on your site which shows random videos from your channel. The more you share, the more videos you will acquire. Try to add leastwise 6 tags which are related to the video. The more relevant tags you bestow, the more your videos will surface in related videos lists. Use video responses. Look for popular videos on YouTube and add a video reaction from your videos list. Make certain you search for associated videos which you wish to add a reaction to. This will expand your chances of getting your video reaction approved by the author rapidly. This will get more exposure for your videos and can bring you thousands of visitors to your website. Produce a series of ongoing videos and stories and leave a call to action like don't forget to look into another intriguing video of the series. In that way, users will remain subscribed to your channel to learn more. In that way, you may also increase your channel subscribers. Make certain you make your videos attractive. YouTube has an intriguing feature to check analytics for each and every video. Do check into the analytics for every video by checking on the Insight button. Add a YouTube subscription widget to your blog or site. As well, have a custom template for your channel. Produce as many videos conceivable and implement all the tips here in all your videos consistently. This will surely amplify visitors to your site.